Good morning, students. This is Mr. Farmer, and I'm going to give you just a basic introduction to this week's topic. We are going to be doing nutrition, and what I want to focus on this week is basically three of the most basic of nutrients that you get in all foods that you eat. Now, nutrients are the very, very important things in food that your body uses in order to help it function properly. So understanding these nutrients and what foods they come in is going to be very, very important to your health and to your understanding of basic nutrition. Now, the three basic nutrients that we're going to focus on this week are carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. Each are different, found in different foods, and each serve a separate function. Now, carbohydrates are your starches and sugars. And what happens is these sugars provide energy for the body. And what happens is these sugars are changed to something called glucose. Glucose is like a simple sugar that our body uses to burn. And when our body burns that glucose, it supplies basic energy to the body. So when you take a carbohydrate from a food, your body actually gets energy from the carbohydrates. Now, fats also give the body energy in order for you to move and to do the things that you need to do. But fats are stored energy. They actually provide more than twice the energy in equal weight to those of carbohydrates. So you actually get a lot more energy from fats than you do with carbohydrates. Now, fats are very important because they cushion the body, they give the body shape. So all of our body contains fat tissue in which we stored fats, and it's kind of that energy that your body puts aside for later in case you need it. Fat also helps you insulate against the cold. So fats are very, very important energy foods that you eat. As well. Proteins are your building blocks. It basically, proteins build new cells that your body needs to replace the old ones. And then sometimes when your cells are damaged, proteins can help with the repair of the damaged cells. Proteins are found in a lot of the meats that you eat. You can actually drink protein drinks. And so those who trying to build muscle, they eat or drink a lot of protein because protein kind of is building muscle and is the building blocks of your body basically. So protein is very, very important because it helps build living matter in your body. So there's your three basic of your nutrients. Now on page 35, you're gonna have basically a chart that shows you how proteins kind of build together by putting together these amino acids, and you're gonna see these many different shapes here to designate what the amino acids. They don't really look like that for real, but just to give you an idea how the different types of amino acids kind of combine. Now, your body uses 20 different kinds of these amino acids. 8 of them you eat in the foods that you eat. 12 of them your body makes. So out of the 20 amino acids that are used, your body can make 12 of them, and the other 8 comes from the food that you eat. And so it'll have a little bit of a chart there. It shows you how the amino acids combine, the proteins combine to build your body up. So you can take a look at that chart as well. And then you are going to complete the chart. It's going to show you a diagram of how you're eating the foods, proteins, and how it's broken down into your stomach, and it shows you how that works. For today, you're just going to be doing the first day, you're going to be doing page 36, answer the questions at the bottom. All of the answers to the questions are right there in your reading. So just go back over your reading or go back over this video to give you some of the basics on how the body uses those 3 types of nutrients. And then tomorrow's the assignment is going to be complete page 37. Once again, everything is in this video and also in your reading. If you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to send me a question through Mind or through Google Classroom. I'll be glad to answer it for you. Have a great day.